Today we announced on our partnership, on a strategic partnership, going to market together and combining those two solutions as a holistic approach, as a one platform, one solution to our customers. I think this is a huge step, not only for us as CylusOne and Belden, but this is a really huge announcement to the market itself. Knowing the challenges, knowing the needs, understanding visibility, how much it's visible, how much it's required in this market, knowing how much infrastructure is very limited and how much adjustable our firewall and combined with CyllusOne brings to the market, brings to the space, and how much it's required.
I totally agree with you, Ronen. I think that having the Belden next generation firewall running alongside CyllusOne will bring rail operators a flexible platform that will serve their needs, that they will reduce the total cost of ownership of the overall cybersecurity solution and the overall cybersecurity investment, as well as address major issues like lack of physical space, lack of power within a rolling stock. And it will be both effective and efficient.
The fact that we are bringing together the ability of the sensor out of the box in the new next generation trained firewall in every box that will be deployed, this type of capability, it's a huge message to the market, huge message to the transportation providers, to the rolling stock industry, in which we are actually telling them in every box you have the ability to run CyllusOne, you have the ability to visualize the traffic, you have the ability to protect yourself, to determine your posture, your security policy, and so on. So the next generation firewall that will be manufactured with Belden would actually have this opportunity, have this out of the box.